welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to one of the halal food, Thai street food in Bangkok. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys. Let's go! Sugar.
Yes, no sugar. Sugar little bit.
Okay, how much?
20 baht.
Okay, give one.
20 baht.
Oh,
25, 50, 80.
Oh, okay, good. And this soybean.
Banana milk.
Oh, banana milk.
Yes.
Oh.
Milk banana.
เท่าไหรคะ 20ค่ะอ๋อโอเคได้ค่ะ Is already here. Look at this big bowl. So let's try this. So guys, basically this noodle is contain the noodle, and then it has also fish ball, and the beef. And she already put some garlic here and the green onions. And let's mix, guys. Okay guys, let's try. Mix everything. Noodles, beef and the fish ball. So they also added some fresh green sprouts, and I can feel the taste of the garlic that already mixed here. It's so yummy. The noodle is so soft. You can just, without chewing it, you just can just eat it. So easy. And let me try the fish ball. try the beef. Ooh. The beef, she said, is so fresh. So I think the beef is already marinated, and then she put inside the soup. Take it like maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then take it out. Okay lah kak, lumayan lah.
Rumahnya segar.
Let me try the soup. It's sweet, fresh. You can feel the chicken broth. Okay, I'm gonna add some chili. Fresh chili, guys. I think fresh chili and vinegar. Look at the chili. The fresh chili and vinegar give the taste is more sour a little bit, spicy and fresh. The drink here also free, so you can just take the card and fill in the water. Ice water. Okay guys, we already finished eating here. The food or the noodle is really fresh. Recommended for you to come here to eat here in this small alley, small place like this. So if you want to know this place, I will put the link of the Google Maps in the description below, so you can just easily come here. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment below guys. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will get notified for my next video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you again in the next episode. Bye bye.